as a young woman in your early 20s, if marriage is what you want and you meet that person who complements you, whom you see you could build your future with, and you're happy with that person, you're content with that person, go ahead and give it your very best shot. Give marriage your very best shot. But if that doesn't come your way, woman, do not chase love. And I repeat, do not chase love. Don't chase relationship. Chase education. Chase discovering you. Chase finding who you are, what you stand for, what your values are. Groom you. Welcome to my channel, Motivated and Inspired. My name is Mimi Faith, and today we will dive a little bit into a thought-provocative topic that we could groom under personal growth or youth empowerment. Now, for me, this topic is very essential. It's something that we need to speak more about, we need to talk about, we need to advocate and inspire people and throw more light on these people, because a lot of young women out there are losing focus just because of this. So before I go on, there is one thing that excites me, that makes me super happy, and that is when you take your time and engage into the content that I create. I appreciate every little effort you put into engaging into my content. I appreciate it. I will encourage you to subscribe if you haven't already done that, and I will also ask you again to share my content so we can reach other people who might need this valuable message, this valuable information that I do share on my platform. But in the nutshell, I do appreciate you very much. I said earlier on that in your early 20s as a young woman, invest into your education, because that crap called love, if you chase it, if you spend your time chasing it, it will leave you unfocused. You will be lost and you will be broke. You'll be heartbroken and you'll be broke financially. Maybe in your early 20s, your parents are not able to give you that education that you want or you deserve because they cannot afford it, or maybe it's just not their priority. But guess what? You can give it to yourself. So why chase something that will not take you to where you want to be? Some of us did it out of ignorance, and a lot of people out there are doing it out of ignorance. And let me break it down and tell you how this does happen sometimes. You grow up in a society or in a community or from a family where, regardless of a woman's success, regardless of her financial background, regardless of her career background, regardless of her educational level, nobody ever commemorates her on that. Nobody ever mention her when it comes to that. They don't mention her contribution. But the question is always, where are your children? Who is your husband? Where is your husband? And so even though you haven't sat down to think about it, it automatically covers your thoughts, it covers your vision, and you begin to envision yourself becoming a wife, becoming a mother, instead of becoming a president, instead of becoming a doctor, instead of becoming an engineer, instead of becoming an advocate, instead of becoming a nurse, instead of becoming a Catholic sister, if that's what you want to be. You do not focus on all those. You do not focus on you becoming happy and content of what you have become. You do not focus on your personal growth. You focus on being a wife. You focus on being loved. You focus on being a mother. And that is not bad. That is nothing bad. You are a woman. You have your role in the society. You have your role in this world, but you're not limited to being a wife only. You're not limited to being a mother only. You are not limited. You are human and you can achieve any greater height as much as you want. If you want to become a whore, you can become it. You want to become a doctor, a nurse, a programmer, a designer, a seamstress, a graphic designer, fashion designer, an engineer, all kind of engineers. You want to be a businesswoman. You want to be an entrepreneur. You want to be a trader. Everything that you want to become, you can become it if you want. And if you commit to it, you will achieve it. And just because that height you want to reach is being delayed, does never ever mean that it is denied. Delays are not denials. You will definitely reach there, accomplish it. But the foundation is very important. The foundation from birth to growing up, but especially in your 20s. That is the last shot. If you lose it, I'm not saying it's impossible to recover it, to rebuild yourself in your 30s and in your 40s, but in most cases, it is absolutely difficult to rebuild your life educational-wise, fix your emotions, your economical situation in your 30s and 40s. You have to know from your 20s what you want and where you want to get to, because the journey is tough. It's long, but life is short. So instead of committing your own mistakes and learning from it, wouldn't it be more essential if you learn from other people's mistakes and make the most of it? If this is yes for you, then continue watching this video, because I can tell you for a fact, I'm in my 30s, and I can tell you that I wasted so many time chasing relationships, chasing men, finding love, wanting to be loved. That stole my time, my precious time that I needed to invest it into discovering who is Mimi, what does she stand for, what are her values, who does she want to be, my education, focus on it. Nope, nope, love, broken heart, crying, bullshit. Bullshit. If you mess your life up in your 20s chasing love, it will leave you unfocused, it will leave you broke, and lost. So if it comes your way, embrace it, give it your very best shot, and still chase discovering who you want to be, chase your career, chase your passion, your capability, unveil you, discover you. But if marriage doesn't come, do not waste your time chasing it. You will be unhappy. You will be unhappy. You will be lost. You will not find yourself. As a woman, you're bigger than just limitation. No, don't let society, don't let the system that we are being manipulated by put you into one box and make you feel as a woman you can only do one thing or two things. No, you can do so many things, and it doesn't absolutely matter where you're coming from. Life is not about where you're from and what happened to you. It's about what you do with what happened. It's what you do with where you're from, because there are other people who are coming from very successful families. Their parents are well educated, they have money, and yet they didn't turn out well. And there are some of us who came from nowhere and we are turning out well. A lot of people out there, there are a lot of celebrities, you know, a lot of successful people who come from very poor background, who didn't, like, there was no future for them, but they believed in themselves and they want to go somewhere. They want to get to this level, and they build it up to that level and climbing up. So you can also do it. Nothing stop you. There might be a lot of challenges, but you can do it. You can achieve greatness as a woman. Again, that crap called love in your 20s, you will be messed up. Don't chase it. You're going to be in relationships that you will be in it alone. The man doesn't even know because, you know, they don't care. It's that era to have fun, you know, youth kind of fun, experiment. It's not the era for majority of humans to find their lifetime partner. And some people, they hold degrees, master degrees, and PhD in relationships. They've been in that relationship for so long and you're not progressing anywhere. You're not progressing. You're giving your energy, your time, all into something that is not worth it. You as a human, you as a woman, as a person, your happiness is worth it. Your intelligence is worth it. You need to educate yourself. And education is not only limited to formation, to school formation, or getting a specific knowledge in a specific topic or in a specific sector. Education is really broad. It's really broad. So invest in you. And luckily for us in this era, especially 2020, education is becoming cheaper. You can educate yourself, hold a degree, master's degree in the comforts of your home by studying online. You can acquire a lot of skills online. It's becoming this cheap. So if you're watching this video and you are in your 20s and you're making a fool out of yourself and wasting your time, investing your energy into things that in the next 10 years will not bring you any profit, you're wasting your time. Education will bring you profit at any stage, at any point in time. But when you waste your time, that is very valuable. You cannot get it back on chasing someone to love you or someone to be with you or to be in a relationship for the beauty of it or because society have made you think that is your value. I'm sorry, you're going to regret it. Because in your 20s, you still have that curiosity, that vibrant spirit to absorb knowledge, to be curious, to want to know more, to want to learn more, to want to do more. And for so many people, once you lose that, it's super, 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 super difficult. As a woman, your validation is not measured by how many children you have or who your husband is. Don't let anyone measure that for you. Measure it yourself. Add education to it. Add discovering yourself to it. Add being happy to that validation and be the one to judge you. But I will encourage you to avoid wasting your 20s on love. If you did like this video, if this video did make sense to you, please do share it so that this message will reach other people who might need it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Be you, be bold, do whatever you want to do, say whatever you want to say, as long as you're not hurting anyone, but most of all, be motivated and inspired. I will see you in the next video. Adios.
Stay motivated and inspired.